Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Haircare Jury, welcome to today's video where I am going to be making an Ayurvedic hair mask. As you see, I have several ingredients here, and I am going to actually be replenishing a recipe that I have used all up. It was actually in this jar. The only thing on this label, because I wrote what I actually included in the recipe, but the only thing I will not be adding that you see on the label of this jar is the calcium bentonite clay. The dry ingredients are most of them. I make a base mix, and then as I use the product individually, I will add ingredients based on what my hair needs. So what you will need is your actual ingredients, whatever it is that you decide to put in your Ayurvedic hair mask. You are going to need a jar or a container to store your dry ingredients. You'll need a measuring spoon, or you can use any type of spoon. I just have this measuring spoon, and this is 1 tablespoon. And then optionally a blender cup, because some of the ingredients are still chunky or kind of gritty. What I do is add them to a blender cup and then mix them to as fine a powder as I can, and then I fill them up in my jar. So for this recipe, I'm going to be adding everything here, and for me this is like an all-in-one hair mask. It is not specifically to treat any type of condition. It is just for general hair health and wellness, if you will. I'm gonna just go around and add 1 tablespoon of each ingredient, and then you'll see me go back and add 1 or more additional tablespoons of different ingredients. It just depends on how much of which ingredient I want to add. So first we're going to start with Aretha. And I'm going to try not to make a mess. Then I'll go around to Brahmi, and I'm going to pour this in because I don't want to mix the different ingredients on the same spoon around. So I'm just going to pour it over the spoon. So it'll be about a tablespoon's worth. Now that I have all of the ingredients in, I am going to blend them together for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then I'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have blended all of the ingredients together, and you may not be able to tell, but it is much smoother than what it was before. If you notice, some of the ingredients were still kind of chunky, especially the shikakai. That was pretty chunky. The amla a little bit, you know, was kind of chunky, and I just want to smooth that out because even the aretha was, you know, kind of a little chunky. And I like to smooth out the ingredients and make the powder as fine as I can. So when I mix in my wet ingredients and my oils, or even other dry ingredients such as clays or other botanicals, I just like it to be smooth. So when I put it in my hair, it's more of a smooth, creamy mask instead of a gritty mixture. The last step is just to pour it into the jar, and I always use airtight containers. All right, and you see it here, and this will be the base. Now what I will do is use maybe up to 1/4 of a cup. Sometimes I will use just maybe 2 to 4 tablespoons, and then add other ingredients such as clays, other botanicals, carrier oils, and essential oils. This will be the base Ayurvedic hair mask mix, and like I said, I'll add additional ingredients as I need them when I'm actually using the mask on wash day. The only thing that I don't have that's on the label in this container is the bentonite clay. That will be an added ingredient when I actually use the mask. If you would like to get additional information on the ingredients that you see, please check out my Ayurvedic video. I will have it linked in the description box below, as well as in the iCard above. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, share with everyone you know. Be safe, be well, and be blessed. Until next time.